This is your giant leap into the world of the future. This is where you learn to fly, spread your wings, touch new horizons, and witness a new world unfolding. This is a home where you learn, explore, unlearn, collaborate, and grow. KMCH and Dr. NGP Educational Institutions, your bridge for tomorrow. When you join the KMCH and Dr. NGP Educational Institutions, you become a part of the 13,000 member family of students. You have more than 700 members, including 200 doctoral faculty, to steer you through an incredible career path. 18 lakh square feet of built-up space becomes your home ground. The management's vision is to impart quality, affordable education and offer a bridge to real-world demands and challenges. Established in 1990, the Kowai Medical Center and Hospital is today the most preferred destination for healthcare in the state. Founded by Dr. Nallaji Palaniswamy, the chairman and managing director, who received his endocrinology specialization in the US and professionally practiced at world-class medical centers. His vision, experience, and unstinting efforts and impeccable leadership have made the KMCH and its group of institutions globally recognized. Dr. NGP's twin goals of quality healthcare and education are passionately carried out by Dr. Tavamani Devi Palaniswamy, a pediatrician and adolescent care specialist and the managing trustee of the Kowai Medical Center Research and Educational Trust. From the macro level functioning to micro level planning, she has made the group a symbol of excellence in Tamil Nadu. KMCH Institute of Health Sciences and Research. It is one of the most sought-after modern medical colleges in the state. Established in 2019 under the aegis of Kowai Medical Center and Hospital, the medical college is idealizing to promote values inherent to compassionate medical professionals by creating an environment that provides excellent teaching by renowned faculty and high-tech infrastructure. KMCH College of Nursing. It is the first educational and research institution of the Kowai Medical Center Research and Educational Trust since 1993, recognized by the Indian Nursing Council, offering bachelor's and master's level courses. The college is attached to the 1,000-bed Kowai Medical Center and Hospital and offers excellent on-the-job training opportunities for the students. The college enjoys well-maintained and up-to-date labs and research centers that allow students to get the best practical training. KMCH College of Pharmacy. Established in 1995 with the aim of creating professionals in pharmacy who truly understand the need to make a difference in the healthcare delivery system. Recognized by the Pharmacy Council of India, AICTE, and accredited by NBA, offering diploma to research level courses. The college is equipped with state-of-the-art laboratories, research centers, and testing centers. With such unique capabilities, the college has earned the reputation of being one of the premier institutions for advanced pharmaceutical education, research, and service. KMCH College of Physiotherapy. It is one of the pioneers in the field of physiotherapy education since 1994, offering undergraduate and specialty postgraduate programs. The college attached to KMCH is one of the few institutions in South India with the advanced academic setup, equipped with modern labs for exercise therapy, electrotherapy, and walking school, and providing training in cardiopulmonary rehab, sports pathology, gait training, burns care, and fitness. The institute offers comprehensive facilities for holistic training in physical therapy. KMCH College of Occupational Therapy. Established in 1995, recognized by the World Federation of Occupational Therapy, is a pioneer in South India in creating qualified professionals in the field of occupational therapy, offering bachelor's and master's level courses. The college has carefully designed and developed its academic and clinical infrastructure to meet the unique training requirements in developmental therapy, play therapy, sensory integration, hand rehab, functional ability, and geriatrics. The alumni of this institute are spread across the globe, delivering quality healthcare in the field of occupational therapy. KMCH Institute of Allied Health Sciences. Established in 2011, the institute offers more than 15 programs from bachelor's to master's levels, including nuclear medicine technology and respiratory therapy, among others. The institute is rapidly becoming one of the preferred destinations for its new and unique set of courses. Attached to the super specialty departments of KMCH, its aim is to create technical professionals with specific skill sets required by major healthcare providers worldwide. All the KMCH health science institutions are recognized by the Government of Tamil Nadu and are affiliated to Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai. Dr. NGP Arts and Science College. Established in 1997, an autonomous institution affiliated to Bharatiyar University with A-grade accreditation by NAAC. 8,000 students, 150 academic programs, 30 plus departments, 25 MPhil and PhD research programs. The institute provides the advantage of choosing between a varied choice of subjects in basic sciences, biosciences, applied sciences, commerce, management, and the humanities. It also offers an exciting choice of innovative programs like medical physics and skill-oriented courses such as costume and fashion design, catering and hotel management, and food science and nutrition. The students are mentored by over 300 faculty members, including 150 doctorates, adapting modern teaching pedagogies and equipped with world-class technological and research infrastructure. The institute offers an annual scholarship of 3 crores for students excelling in academics and sports. Here, you don't only get formal education, you get education for life. Consistently ranked in the top 100 on the National Institutional Ranking Framework. Centers of Excellence specialized through value-added programs, training conferences, seminars, and events. Entrepreneurship Development Cell, nurturing startups and connecting corporates. career development cell providing the best resources and opportunities for higher learning and exciting careers. Placement Cell, striving year after year to achieve more than 90% placements for students. Dr. NGP Institute of Technology, established in 2007 and affiliated to Anna University, approved by AICTE and accredited by NAAC and NBA. It has more than 2,000 students and over 250 faculties on its roll. When you choose NGPIT, you get the advantage of a highly qualified and experienced faculty, an ambience that encourages curiosity, a roadmap to complete professionalism, and a chance to craft your career ladder. From getting to work on a variety of machines firsthand, to understanding the employment market from comprehensive training programs, every student is encouraged to excel. Centers of excellence with world leaders such as Cisco, Siemens, IBM Red Hat, and others supporting students with advanced development and hands-on training. Professional societies, chapters, and e-learning centers supporting the professional development of students. MOUs and collaborations with several global universities like Florida Atlantic University, Wayne State University, and the University of Wisconsin at the United States of America, just to name a few. A vibrant training and placement cell conducting more than 100 on and off-campus drives and achieving more than 90% recruitments in reputed organizations. Dr. NGP College of Education, established in 2005 and affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, and recognized by the National Council for Teachers Education. With impressively equipped resource centers and immensely experienced faculty, the top schools in the state visit the institution to recruit teachers. The Dr. NGP College of Education is where you get to learn the art of teaching and teaching well, creating people who impact the world. The NGP School, established in 2013, is one of the best CBSE K-12 institutions in Coimbatore. Happiness is the emotion here. Every child at the NGP school enjoys the advantage of a carefully thought-out infrastructure like air-conditioned digital classrooms, well-designed indoor swimming pool, a nurturing environment, qualified and deeply committed teachers, and co-curricular activities like arts and crafts, music and dance, as well as yoga and martial arts, offers a perfect space for creative cognition and self-inquiry. KMCH and Dr. NGP institutions provide students with a world-class platform, liberal scholarships, and support to excel in the sports and games of their choice. With the state-of-the-art sports and fitness facilities, students display astounding sportsmanship and have often emerged as winners and set new records at the university, state, national, and Asian level championships. We are super proud that one of our alumni has represented the country in the Rio Olympics. KMCH and Dr. NGP institutions ensure that students from other cities and countries find a home away from home by offering excellent in-house hostel facilities. A safe and secure hostel for boys and girls with hygienic multi-cuisine food. The KMCH and Dr. NGP institutions have an excellent transport and logistic facilities. The college operates several buses that efficiently cover Coimbatore and the surrounding regions. Welcome to a temple of learning that allows you to chart your future in the world through a multifaceted approach to success and growth. KMCH and Dr. NGP Educational Institutions. Your bridge for tomorrow.